Hey there, welcome back to Sparkling Star. Today we have got an exciting topic to talk about understanding cryptocurrency before you invest. Cryptocurrency has become a big deal in finance, so let's learn the basic before you dive in. Let's jump right in. Alright, let's start with what cryptocurrency means. Cryptocurrency is like digital money that's super secure and uses special codes for transaction. It's not like regular money from banks. It's work on special computer networks called blockchains that keep everything safe and open. Now that we know what is it, let's see how it works. Computer is a big network called nodes. Check and confirm transaction. They do this by solving touch math problem, which keeps the money safe and stops cheating. There are lots of different kind of cryptocurrencies. The most famous is Bitcoin, which is like digital gold. Ethereum does cool stuff with smart contracts and apps. There are also Ripple, Litecoins and Cardano, each with special things they can do. Let's talk about why people like investing in cryptocurrency. One big reason is that one might make a lot of money. People who got in early with bitcoins made lots. Plus, even people who do not have a bank account can join in if they have a phone and internet. But hold on, it's not all sunshine. Cryptocurrency can be a bit wild. Their prices can change super fast. Also, there's stuff like rules and security issue to like about. So be careful and do some homework before you put your money in. Prices for cryptocurrencies go up and down because of different things, news, what people think, new tech, laws changing, and even how the world economy is doing. All these can make prices move. Thinking of investing, here what you do, find a good website where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies, make an account and prove who you are, then put some money in your account. Staying safe is super important. Instead of keeping your money on the website, put in a special wallet. Some wallets are online, that's hot, and some are offline called cold, which is safe from hackers. To keep safe, spread your money around different cryptocurrencies, and before you buy, check things out really well. Know the tech, the team, what it is used for, and what's happening in the market. Decide if you want to wait a long time or just a little for your money to grow. Some people are patient and wait, while others want to make money fast by watching the prices closely. As we finish up, remember making money is exciting but be careful. Learn lots, stay updated, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies can be amazing but they can also be tricky. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more cool stuff. Drop your question below and keep learning. See you soon.